How's it going, everyone? So this is a new machine I bought. It's a 3 meters by 2 meter cutting for cutting jumbo size sheets. This is why I haven't been uploading on YouTube much anymore, because this has been taking much of my time at work. Mainly do cabinets, bedrooms, starting to get into signs and just some odd lattice stuff. Syntec controller. If anyone needs any help, just let us know. I barely know much about it myself, but I'm learning. So there's a 8 tool change on it. And yeah, I'm just working on these cams. I'm just drawing everything up, making sure everything lines up. Yeah, it's a bit chipped, but I'm just getting all the right tools together. This was made on there. It's gonna be, I think it's 1,000 cabinet or 900, one of the two. My legs tape measure. Right, yeah. Hold it straight. Yeah, so it's coming out at 1,000. So, yeah, the CNC is working pretty well. I mean, if anyone wants to see videos of this, I know it's different to what I normally put on YouTube, but I'm here every single day, so I can make videos of this quite often. Let us know.